welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Caitlin and I like to do travel vlogs. So for today's video, it's not quite a travel vlog, but it's a pack with me and I'll show you what I'll be packing in my suitcase. I hope you guys do enjoy this video and get some inspiration tips. I mean, just to warn you, I'm a bit of a basic girl, so don't expect anything too shabam in your face, because certainly not me. And I hope you do guys enjoy. Please smash a big thumbs up if you do, subscribe if you are new. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So I've got my case laid out on the bed ready. There's nothing in there apart from like 2 baubles and Ziggy in the corner. It was his birthday yesterday, the 6th of October. He's now 10, he's now senior. This is what my case is looking like and it's going to be full. I am going for 7 nights, 8 days. 7 days, 7 nights, whatever you want to call it. I fly on Monday. I leave for the airport at 4 o'clock in the morning. However, I got a 5-hour wait at the airport, but it's nothing I can do. If I got the later coach, because I'm going up on the coach, if I got the later coach, I would have got there literally like an hour and a half, 2 hours before departure, and I just didn't want to risk it, because you never know with traffic, anything can happen, and they always advise for you to be 3 hours before departure. So what I'm going to do is go and get some food at the airport, chill out for a bit, watch some YouTube, listen to music, and then head down to check-in and through security, and then I'm through. So first things first, what I always like to pack is underwear and socks. So I'm just going to do that now. Anyone else take like loads of spare underwear just in case like you shit yourself or whatever. Even though it never happens, you never know when you're on holiday. You always, just in case, you've always got to take spare underwear. So I've got 3 spare just in case. Even though I'm going to be wearing my bikini bottoms, I'm still going to take like 15 pairs of underwear just in case, because you never know. And socks. I get 18 socks, is that enough? I think so. So I'll be wearing sandals and sliders anyways, like 7 days. So I arrive there on the Monday, don't get there till like 10 o'clock at night. So then I'll just be getting on the coach to the hotel and just staying in the hotel. So then Tuesday, I'm not going to give too much away. So I got 3 full days out, so I'm not going to be in the hotel. And I'm super excited to vlog it all. Like, I cannot wait. So I'm not going to show you my underwear and socks, this is a bit weird. Oh, I think I might have too much underwear. So I'm going to grab my bikinis and some shoes. So I'll be taking a pair of trainers. I'll be wearing trainers to the airport anyways. Going to get a pair of sliders and some sandals, and I think that's all I need, to be fair. BRB. I lied, I'm taking 4 pairs. Come back at the bed. So these are the shoes I'm going to be wearing to the airport. Just Adidas pair of trainers, comfy. So, and then depending on what outfits I'm going to be wearing, I'm going to take a black pair of trainers just so they go with my outfits. So let me just pop these in. Sandals. I don't know where I got these from. Oh, New Look I got these from. They're a bit worn, but they're comfy. And then got my new sliders that these are my sliders I bought for Dubai, and they did rub a lot, whether because it was the heat and I was walking, but I'm just going to wear these down for the pool, down to the beach, the water park, etc. Easy, just to slip on your feet. So that's that. And then I'm going to put my toiletry bag in there. So in Toiletries, just... By the way, if you've come here for packing tips, you got the wrong video, because I got no idea how to pack very well. I just chuck everything in the suitcase, roll things up, chuck it in, zip it up, away to go. So I've got my LMS pad just to wipe on my face when I get really hot and sweaty. I got some sun cream, and this little one is sun cream as well. Got my shampoo conditioner, scrunchy thing, flannel. I've got my face mask. I got some foot stuff as well, just in case, because my feet get really bad sometimes when I'm walking. I got my Victoria's Secret spray, got just deodorant. I got some cotton buds, razor, shower gel. I'm taking these because it's just easier, and they're so like just easy. So I'm taking my Dior perfume. I have got face wash, toothpaste, and I got some nipple covers because you never know. So that's all the toiletries I'm going to be taking. Just simple. I do need to take my toothbrush, but I can't pack that till literally last minute. Okay. I don't know whether or not to take some makeup. I'll decide that a little bit later on. If I do, it's just literally gonna be mascara, a bit of lippy, a bit of concealer. That's probably about it, because when I'm on holiday I sweat so much. It's literally unreal. These little pretty bits. So got my socks, got my underwear, got my shoes, got my toiletries. So that part is sorted. Now on to the other side. Outfits. Let's do day clothes first and then evening. I have got this play suit. It's really, really nice. It's from AX Paris. Two from AX Paris. Literally haven't worn them. I bought them for Bali for last year, but didn't end up going because of COVID. I would love to take them, but as I'm going on my own, I can't zip them up at the back. On the red one I can, but on these somehow I just can't do it. So these are gonna have to stay here. Time favourite dresses to chuck on. Probably would see in my Poland vlogs and maybe my Dubai vlogs. These dresses, simple. They're from Shein. These two are from Shein. This dress is also from Shein as well. Basic type of girl, to be honest. Not really fussed on wearing all these fancy clothes. So these are suitable and they'll be fine. Shorts. So I've got a play suit. This bandeau play suit, which I'll just chuck on for the pool, for the beach, the water park. This is from Boohoo. And then I got a load of super dry shorts, which I just love. It's all comfy. Super basically, I've got the logo there. So these are them. They are creased, but who irons? And they have all been folded up anyway, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shorts. And I got dresses. I take some denim shorts as well. Just where I'm packing for like 2-week holiday, but I'm actually going for a week. Got some black denim shorts. Got these ones. Oh, I've got another pair. These ones. Yeah, I think these ones are better, nicer. Just got a bit of fluff on them, but I can take that out. Just that. And these are the denim shorts. The little thing in the bum. Probably won't wear all of these, but I've got them just in case. I think they could be from Shein or Pretty Little Thing, those two denim shorts. Like I said, I'm basic, so to go with my super dry jersey shorts, I'm just going to be taking 5 plain vest tops. It's going to be hot. I'm going to be out doing trips. I'm going to be out doing adventures. And I'm not going to be laying by the pool because it's just not me. It's just boring. I am all-inclusive. This is my first actually all-inclusive holiday. I've never been all-inclusive before. But I think they all are all-inclusive in Egypt anyway, so where I'm going. So literally I got 5 of the same tops. So I don't want you all saying, oh, you're wearing the same top, wearing the same top. Same top, different top, because once I've worn a month to be needing a wash. 4 and 5. So I need to take all the tags off them. So that's that, and then I need some tops or bodysuits to go with my denim shorts. I do like this top. I was, if you remember, I had, or if you saw my Dubai vlogs, I had a pair of white denim shorts. Well, they kind of got ruined when I was in Dubai with all the sand, and they were just awful, so they had to be bent. And I haven't actually replaced a white pair of denim shorts, which I need to, but for this trip I'm not going to. But if I put this, will it go? I don't know, will it wear white sandals then or something? I don't know, I'll take it just in case. Wave to yourselves. A red top. Oh, there's another bit of red. I might take this. These are crop tops, by the way. That red one and this is a crop top, but more like a full length type of shirt, but cropped in a way. Oh, I think those are from Pretty Little Thing. Oh, I cut the tags off, sorry. I think they are from like Pretty Little Thing. Yellow one as well. So I've got 4 tops to go with 2 pairs of shorts. This is also from Shein. Is Shein, isn't it? So it is a plain black bodysuit, which I'll also need to be taken. And then this is a nice floral bodysuit as well. So that's one of the skirts that I'll go with a plain black one, plain black bodysuit. And then this skirt is plain black. It will go with the floral one. That's 2 evening outfits. Bearing in mind, I'm not going to be there for like 2 to 3 evenings. So there's 2 outfits, and I've also got these. I'm absolutely in love with these, and I haven't had a chance to wear them. Very dressy. It's like one full sleeve, and then it comes down like that. I can't see, but kind of get the hint. And it is like all ruffled as well. And that's in a peachy colour, and I've also got it in a blue colour, and these are from AX Paris. I've never worn them. I've put them on to try them on, see if they fit, and they do. So I've got the tags on them, haven't I? So that's 4 outfits. I might take a plain black dress that I can wear for the night anyways. You can wear day or night. This is also from Shein. So that's all the clothes. I need to get bikinis, but I think I'm going to pack this first. The thing is, when I'm on these day trips, I think they're picking me up by like 1:30 in the morning, and I don't get back till really late at night. So I'm there for like a long time, and I'm going to be sitting on a bus, so like a coach. So I want something that's going to be really, really soft and just really comfy, just to be comfy. Do you know what I mean? I'm also going to take a towel as well.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but
I got put pyjamas in as well. I've definitely got way too much clothes.
you broke the coldness somehow.
By the way, these white t-shirts are from Matalan. So I normally would get them from Primark. However, I kind of went at the wrong season in autumn to try and find some, and they just didn't have any. I went to my closest one in Swansea City Centre, and they literally had nothing for summer. And then I went down to Park Trostra, down in Llanelli, which is about 9-10 miles, maybe not even that. And they had white t-shirts, but not my size. That went out for the window. So this is what my suitcase is looking like so far. And I gotta get my night clothes. Might fit my bikinis this side actually.
And lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless. Screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold.
The angle might have changed slightly, but for the airport I'm just going to wear a tracksuit, comfy, this silk and a jumper. I'll probably just wear a sports bra underneath, easy. I am going to take a gym set so I can just wash and rinse it up there anyways, just in case I want to use machines. As it's all inclusive, I've already seen videos of my hotel of loads and loads of food, and I'm not going to go like overboard and just be silly, but do you know like the different cakes that you wouldn't get back home and different international foods they offer, like we won't get back here, and it's all going to be like fatty foods, isn't it? Gym set in the box, and bikinis and I can pack, easy. This is my white sports bra. They're from Gymshark. Do I need to take another one? Take 2 sets. And they're just comfy anyways to wear. Knowing me, I probably won't use the gym, but we never know. Take 2 sets, just in case. Besides, I've just taken 2 tops out. Right, let's go see what bikinis to take. They're all in a storage box, so she got no room. My hat, I forgot about my hat. This is also going in. This nice Calvin Klein hat you'd have seen in my Dubai vlogs, maybe my Poland vlog as well, I'm not too sure. Bikinis, what ones am I gonna take? I actually got loads. And I took my Calvin Klein one because I absolutely love that one. You'd have seen in my water park video. And I got that bikini. So that's one bikini. I might take this. I like this bikini as well. So this is from Pretty Little Thing. Yeah, I really like the pattern on this. And this is from Shein as well. I take 4 bikinis. So I take a nice hot pink one or this green one. I got a lot of green and I got both really, haven't I? Pink or green or one? Green one. Again, from Shein. 4 bikinis be enough? I think so. Oh, I had to throw out my white bra because the wire came all loose and it was like hanging out and it was just like wishy-washy. So I don't really have a white bra. I mean, I could go out and get one, but nah. I'll take a white bikini top. I'm gonna take my goggles as well, just in case. You never know. I'm under that water. I know you're probably thinking, what are those? They stop my feet from burning, basically. So I think I'm gonna take these just in case. But I got my sliders. I'm packing way too much. I'm taking them. So I think 4 bikinis is sufficient. Anyway, my goggles and they got some in. They're going in. Time to pack my bikinis. Just chuck them in. This is going to be heavy already, isn't it? So I think that's kind of everything. I think I'm going to wear the same tracksuit to come home in. Or I could put this in my bag and just wear a dress. So then I can just change when I get back into Gatwick. It's going to be hot there end, isn't it? But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I can't pack my brush yet until closer to the time. I say closer to the time until Monday morning. I can't pack my toothbrush until Monday morning. Am I forgetting anything? I got 1 towel. It's going to be towels at the hotels, and I got one just in case I needed a towel. What I'm doing, I got my bikinis, got my shoes, got all my outfits. So as you guys would have seen, I've already packed my suitcase. However, I've got some more in because I'd forgotten them the other day. Which is obviously my birthday cards, which I got given. I got some makeup, which is not much. Just a few lip glosses, lipsticks, concealer brush, a few baubles. I got my GoPro accessories plus my adapter. I'm talking quietly because mum's in bed. And what else? I put my moisturiser in, my hairbrush. Let's see, some pyjamas I've put in as well. Sanitary towels, of course. And that is about it. And I also packed my airport bag. So I obviously got my laptop and my iPad in there, my GoPro stuff in here. There's also all the chargers. I've got my blanket. I've got my neck pillow. And then in here, I've obviously just got some paracetamol, wipes, sunglasses, more sanitary towel, pads. I've got some plasters at the bottom as well. And also a spare underwear and socks. That is the end of the video, guys. If you did enjoy, please smash a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, comment see if you liked any of my outfits, if I got any good choices or if I made any bad choices that I packed too much. Are you guys big packers, or can you pack just enough for your holiday? Because I certainly can't. I think I need some tips from you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for another video. It's going to be one of my Egypt vlogs, so I'll see you guys there. Bye.